In this demonstration, I'm going to show how you can use the Read Text Aloud feature built into Chromebooks. To start with, you do need to turn it on in Accessibilities. Let's go through how you would do that. So you would go up to the three dots. You'd roll down here to Settings. When you open up Settings, you're going to scroll down to the bottom, and there's a choice way down here on the bottom that says Accessibilities. You can also type up here and search for Accessibilities if it's not showing, or you can come over here on the left side. It's under the Advanced Settings. So when I open up Accessibilities, I'm going to see that it says Manage Accessibility Features, Add Accessibility Features. We're going to do this first one, Manage them. And when I select it, it looks like it's going to open up a new window. It's going to open up a new tab. And this is the tab in here. So I'm going to enable Select to Speak and turn that on. If I look down here at my Select to Speak settings, it will open up some options that allow me to set some special Select to Speak options, select my language. I can personalize it, things like that. So I can come in here, I can adjust the speed, the pitch, the volume, and I can even select different languages. So if I currently have it set on English using the Chrome US English version, but I can select some other versions and listen to see how they would sound. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and close that. I didn't make any changes, and I'll close this, and let's see how it works. I don't need that open either. So to see how it works, I'm going to come in here, and it puts this little button down in the bottom, right down here on your black bar across the bottom of your screen. And when I select it, it changes into a little symbol that looks like it has an arrow. And what that means is I can now drag over what I want read aloud. I can do the whole page or just a section of the page. And when I let up,
select the Move tool. Drag the red circle to reveal the words.
It reads it aloud. Let's do that one more time. So I'm going to select this, drag over what I want.
Tap the mic to reveal the words as you discover them.
Notice that it's highlighting each word as it says it. So that is pretty awesome. So I want you to give that a try.